Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to E46 channel, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your stock radio with a touchscreen one, which I got from eBay. So there it is, a touchscreen one with all the harnesses and everything you need for this. Okay, so I'm not really happy with the original radio that BMW comes with. It is a BMW business CD and there is no aux here. You can only listen to your music, like the music that you like, through CDs. By doing this upgrade, you not only get the touchscreen option, but you get also the Wi-Fi connection option too. You have the navigation system installed already. It does come with Bluetooth. It does come with SD slot there, the USB connection. You're not gonna miss the CD if you are a fan of CD option. There is the CD. Same thing for the aux here. You're gonna have to get the wiring yourself and install it somewhere. It does have a lot of connectivity options, but I usually like the Bluetooth one, or most of all the memory card option, which is very convenient because it is there all the time. It's not on the way. It doesn't need to connect it and disconnect it all the time, so that's very convenient to have. And yeah, let's go into it. It is very simple to replace it, so I'm gonna show you step by step what you need to do. And I have done this before, so I already have this installed here. I'm doing this just to show you guys how you can do it yourself instead of taking it to the dealership or somewhere else and get charged for it, for something very easy like this installation here. So you only need to pull this trim here. It's held by a couple of holders, fasteners. There is one here, one there, one, like three up to here, and then there is one that holds both of the pieces in place here and one on the other side. So you got to be very careful to not break them, or otherwise you gotta have some extra fasteners handy so to replace them. But the main thing is to not break the trim here. It is not very expensive, but why when you can just be careful to remove it. And that is all you need to remove the trim here. If you are dealing with power connectivity, switches and stuff like that, you always want to disconnect the negative terminal of your battery so you don't cause damage to your computer, to your car. So now with the battery disconnected, we'll go ahead and change the stereo. And to start on the right side of the trim, and then once you put this piece in and then start rotating it, doesn't matter which way, as long as you get the first one loose, and you can see this one is loose, and just slide till it gets stuck, which is the second fastener, and then just rotate it so you get the second one loose. Don't try to get off every fastener before, like once you are moving one way. So get it loose, get all of them loose, and then try to pry it out. Don't try to just pry out just one of them. Okay, so there it is, one of the pieces. There you can see. Yeah, I'll turn it this way. So there you have 4 fasteners that go into these red lockers, and now this is loose. So next thing you want to do is the last one on the other side, like right under the steering wheel. It is kind of hard, so always take your time and try prying it out. Don't break it. There. Okay, take off the 2 screws, put them aside. Now the way you take the duct air vent off here, same thing, pry it from underneath and then pull. There are 2 clips that hold it in place. Okay, this pin here, you got to pull this pin out like upwards, just like that. Things should come out more there. And same thing for the I believe that's the antenna. There is just 1 push pin tab and the radio is out. The heat control, the vent control unit, whatever you call that. And here there are 4 connectors here. The big one, there is this small pin that you push inwards, like downwards, and then slide the black just like that and it comes out. And there is 1 tab here, push tab, you squeeze this in and pull it out. This one doesn't have anything, so just pull it like that. And there is just 1 pin that you need to push for the black connector here too. And the housing is out of the way. These 2 metal clips here that holds this in place, so push those pins. There is 1, there is 2nd, and this is out. The housing is totally useless right now, so we're gonna throw it out. 2 are out. We need all 4 of them coming out on that port or the space there, and there they are. So just connect them back together like they were. Just connect it like that. The small connector and the last one. Okay, I never had any problem. It doesn't wiggle around, it stays in place. But if you want, you can put a rubber piece under here to hold it in place, even better. Or you can just leave it like that, or if you want, you can go ahead and buy the housing for this unit when you do this change. If you want to do this upgrade, make sure you order the harnesses as well. Now this one is not really necessary. Out of all these wires here, I only use 2 of them, I believe. So there they are. 1 second. The yellow one, which is the camera for the backup camera. I don't think I used the red one, which is anyway. So if you can see, they all have the these small labels that indicate what they are for. And then make sure that this slide is up there, that's in place. And now you just need to push the pin downwards there, and you got to hear that click, so that is solid now. And there is the unit itself. Okay, and again, take your time, pay attention to what you are connecting where, but it's not really hard to do it, and there is no way you can connect the switches backwards or in the wrong spot, because they only come to one size. Okay, so I'll connect the, I believe that's the power unit, just like that. There are 3 white ports here, and this only fit in one. This is a different size, that's a bit smaller, that's way smaller, so this one goes in the middle one, and you push it till you hear the click. There, that's in place. and there is the black one that goes on this side. So that's the other connector. That's in place, secure. There is two more connectors here. Okay, there it is. That's the other one. It goes right here. That's the only spot it goes in. And that had the, let me just get this out of the way. And this wire here goes in the glove box for the extra USB port. And the last wire that gotta be connected is the antenna. Let me go this way. Okay, and just hand tighten it there, just like that. And now it's all ready to go in. So make sure all the extra wiring goes in on the bottom, because back there you don't want to put anything, since is the back piece of the unit. So you gotta slam everything below it, under it. Before we go any further, we better test the installation right now at this step. So if there is anything wrong with it, then we go ahead and check it out and take it out, because it's half ready. So I'm going to connect the battery now. Okay, there is everything in place, and I'm gonna show you how you remove the glove box here now, and how you ran all the wires through the glove box to here. Here you guys can see the wires that come out of the unit. That the USB port where I have connected the dash cam. The reason why I've connected the dash cam here is because the main USB plug on that is right there, it has power all the time, and I don't need power to the dash cam at all times. So this one, once you take the key out of the ignition, there is no power running through this plug here anymore, so the dash cam turns off, which it has still a little bit of power. If something happened to the car, the dash cam turns itself on, but I'm going to explain that into another video. And the other cable here that runs through there is the antenna, the GPS antenna, and that goes from there to here. So from these cables that I have connected all together, like tucked them all together, all these two, both of these wires go up there, so they go through the glove box on the side there, and they come out here, just right there, and through this gap. Okay, it's better this way. There, and through this gap here, and I ran them all the way above the dash to run it through the glove box around. I'll show you through the glove box around the windshield, the trim here, all around it, up there, and then it's right under this unit up here. So when you open these, you gotta be careful because there are some like very fragile connectors there. But anyway, so I ran those wire, the antenna wire there, with the dash cam wire as well. And that is gonna be the video for today. So if you guys enjoyed, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.